Hello everyone, this is Larry Warden here. I'm going to show you today how to transfer your media from your GoPro camera to your tablet, to your computer, or to your smartphone. I'm going to show you two methods. One through the GoPro app, and the second way through a card reader, and we'll talk about the pros and cons of each method. Let's go to our computer and get started. In my previous video, I showed you how to connect your GoPro camera to your GoPro app. I want you to go to this page where it shows you to control GoPro or view media. Tap on the view media bar and your camera will start loading the media you have stored on your SD card to your GoPro app. Here we can now see the media that you have stored on your camera. We have videos and photos, and of course the videos have the video icon. Let's tap on a photo. See the down arrow in the left corner of the screen? I want you to tap on it, and now the photo has been downloaded to your GoPro app. It only takes a couple of seconds. Now, let's go back and select the video in the left corner. And we'll do the same thing. The left arrow down in the bottom left corner, we'll tap on it. And now it is downloading onto your GoPro app as well. So now we're going to have the photo and the video both downloaded onto your app. Although they're on your app, they are not on your camera roll yet. There's one more thing we have to do. Let's tap on the photo and see the share icon on the top right corner with the up arrow. Let's tap on it. Now we see we have three choices: save to photos, share media, or create a share link. Let's tap on share media. We can see here we can send this photo instantly to Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, or any other of your social media sites that you are connected with. But we'll go back. Let's tap on that share again. Let's save to photos. We'll tap on save to photos. And now we can see the media is saved and it's now on our camera roll. Let's do the same with the video. Open the video. Let's hit that share button in the top right corner. Again, if we want to put that video out on Facebook or YouTube or Instagram, we'll hit the share media icon and we see our choices at the bottom. But again, let's go back, and I would like to put this on our camera roll. So we'll tap on save to photos, and there it is. Our media is saved into our camera roll. And let's just go in to open our photos, and we can see that the photos and video is stored there. After you've transferred your photo and video, I suggest you go back into your GoPro app and select that photo and video that you just transferred. Hit the garbage can at the right corner, bottom right corner, and let's delete them off your GoPro app because you don't want to end up with two copies each. So they're now gone from your GoPro app. And let's go back into our camera roll, and we can see that the photo and video are still there, so you don't end up with two copies. So that's how you transfer media from your GoPro app to your iPhone. The most efficient way to transfer your media from your GoPro camera to your computer is to take out the little microchip and insert it into a card reader. Make sure you have the correct adapter for the microchip, and then simply plug it into your computer, and your computer will immediately recognize this drive, and you just click on it and open up the GoPro file, and there is all your pictures and videos that you've taken. So it's much quicker, and you don't have to use Wi-Fi from your camera, and don't have to download to the GoPro app. This is a much quicker and more efficient way. So this is the way I do it. I hope you have found this video helpful on transferring media, and please feel free to subscribe to my channel. I'll be posting new videos each week on GoPro Help, and thank you very much for watching.